Peacock. The peacock is a large and majestic bird known for its striking appearance and vibrant plumage. It belongs to the pheasant family and is native to South Asia, particularly India and Sri Lanka. The male peacock, also called a peafowl, is known for its extravagant display of feathers, which are iridescent and feature vibrant shades of blue, green, and gold. These feathers are used to attract a mate during the breeding season. Peacocks lay eggs like other birds. The female peacock, known as a peahen, typically lays around 4 to 8 eggs in a clutch. The eggs are relatively large compared to other bird eggs, with an average size of about 5 centimeters, 2 inches in diameter. The eggs have a hard shell, usually off-white or pale brown in color, and are laid in a shallow nest constructed by the peahen on the ground. As for their diet, peacocks are omnivorous birds. They have a varied diet that consists of both plant matter and small animals. In the wild, they feed on a range of items such as seeds, grains, fruits, insects, worms, reptiles, and even small mammals. Peacocks use their strong beaks to forage and pick up food from the ground or from low branches. Peacocks can be found in several countries around the world, but they are most commonly associated with India, where they are considered the national bird. They are also found in neighboring countries such as Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nepal. Due to their beauty, peacocks have been introduced to various other regions across the globe, including parts of Europe, North America, and Australia, where they are sometimes kept in captivity or in zoos for their ornamental value. It's worth noting that in some countries, peacocks are protected by law and regarded as a symbol of beauty and cultural significance. Their feathers are often used in various traditional customs, ceremonies, and decorations.